the ccbill configurations are made from the back end by the site owner. So there is an option that says payment gateways on the settings page. The site owner can toggle between Stripe and ccbill. Once if he is choosing ccbill as a business, the client will have one merchant account or the client account. This is the account under which he can have multiple sub accounts. So he can have many sub accounts like this. So these are the sub accounts. So for the Fanso platform, we need two sub accounts. Okay, one is for recurring, that is subscription payments, and the other one is for one-time payments on the platform. So the site owner has to create two sub accounts for the site. So while creating a sub account, it will ask for the details such as the name of the site and other details. So you can see that already this one is set. It will ask for the homepage URL, the site name, approval URL, and some other details. So and once this is done, once a sub account is created for single billing and recurring. So for recurring, so the minimum value is $2.95 as a test account, and the period by default is 30 days. So once a sub account is created, we need to do the second step, which is webbook. So we need to have the webbook URL. So for that particular website, so and make sure that it's updated here. So right now you can see that webbook URL is updated for the site fan. So that is one sub account. You can see that, and pricing admin. So next is the pricing admin. So you can see that you can go and update your details sub account information anytime. You can go and change your sub account information. Suppose if it's a single building, you can go and update it to recurring. So you can also update the pricing. You can see this ID and what is the service type, etc. So one sub account will be for single and one sub account will be for recurring on the platform. So here the site owner has to provide the client account number that is provided here. You can see that, and yeah, and then he can provide the account. One is for the single purchase and the other one is for recurring, and he needs to give the flex form ID as well as the salt key. So first of all, the sub account created here by the site owner has to be approved by ccbill. So once it is approved by ccbill only, then it can be provided and it will function. So on the advanced settings, we have one option that says that will ask to update items like salt key, and this is the salt key. So this has to be provided by ccbill as well. So once you create a sub account and it is approved by ccbill, you can ask for the salt key in the chat. ccbill will have chat, so you can chat with any customer service employees and get the salt key for this particular merchant account, and you can paste the salt key here. So this is salt key which can be, you can communicate with ccbill and you can have this. And this is the flex form ID. So flex form ID will be present for each account. So this has to be copied and pasted. So you can see the flex form ID here. So you can see flex form ID for each sub accounts. So this is, for example, if you are going to copy any ID, suppose that the sub account is 49 or sub account is 53, you can just copy this ID. This is going to be the flex form ID that has to be copied and pasted from the backend. So this is how he has to configure. If he has ccbill data link user or data link password, he can also apply that. And if there is, even if it is left without filling, that's not a problem. So this way, he can actually configure, the site owner can configure ccbill settings on the backend. So thank you.